Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create aliases on Linux. So at the beginning we'll go into terminal because we'll create aliases in the terminal, and we can start with what is an alias and why do we need aliases, because basically aliases are shortcuts for commands that help us to save time. Instead of typing in a really long command every time you want to use it, you can create an alias and create a simple shortcut that will save your time. I will show you how does it work and how you can do it in a second. So we can start with a temporary alias. You can make a permanent alias, of course, but I will show you that in the second part of the video. Right now we will focus on the temporary alias. So in order to do a temporary alias, you have to type in something like this. Maybe I will show you something before. You have a command, for example, ls -la. It works like this. And how to create an alias to this command? You can have to type in alias. Now you have to choose the name of your alias. So for example, lsa, maybe like this, equals, and you have to do something like this. And inside of the signs, you have to type in your command. So ls -la. Like this, you have to press enter. And your alias has been created. So right now you can use ls -la. As you can see, it is still working, but instead of it, you can use lsa. Press enter, and as you can see, your alias is also working. You can list active aliases like this. So alias, as you can see, my alias that I created before is right there. Maybe ls -la is not the best example because this command is really short, but you can use something like this. So for example, you want to maybe grep from the passwd file only my username. You want to do something like this. It is a little bit longer. Of course, you can create an alias for something like this. Again, you have to type in alias. And right now, the name of your alias, so for example, maybe comment1, like this, equals, and right now the name of your basically your comment, so cat etc passwd grep ubuntu, and you have to close that. You have to press enter, and everything should work fine. com1, as you can see, your alias is working. If you want to unalias it, basically delete an alias, maybe it will sound better. You can do something like this, unalias, and for example lsa. As you can see, it is not working. It works only for this method. In the second method with the permanent alias, this command will not work and you have to edit the file, but I will show you that in a second. And why I will show you? Because this alias, as I said before, is only temporary because it is working now, but if I will close the terminal and open it again, this alias will no longer work. As you can see, it is not working, and inside of this alias command, we don't have an alias that we had before. How we can make a permanent alias? We have to edit the file. This file is in the home section, and it is called bashrc. You have to type something like this, bashrc. You have to add this dot because bashrc is a hidden file, and hidden files in Linux basically starts with dot, so you have to type it, and you can press enter. This is a file that contains aliases. As you can see, we have some example of the aliases right there, and I can add new alias maybe at the end. It doesn't really matter. We have to basically type in the command in the same way that we did it before. So alias, for example, maybe com equals, and I will type in this longer command. So cat etc passwd and grep ubuntu, like this. I will close that and it should work fine. Ctrl O in order to save that, enter, and Ctrl X in order to exit. And right now you have to you have to save changes. So you have to either restart the terminal, or you have to type source and the name of our file, so bashrc, like this. I made a spelling mistake, so source like this. It should work, and right now our alias should work. So I named it com, I think. As you can see, it is working. And now I will close the terminal, I will open it again, and as you can see, it is also working. So how can you remove this alias? Because unalias, I think, will not work. Unalias com. As you can see, right now it is not working, but after the restart it is still working. So you have to edit the file. We have to basically edit the same file. This is the file, this bashrc file, and we have to delete this line with this alias that we created before. So it is here, so I have to simply delete it, save it by pressing Ctrl O, Enter and Ctrl X, and again I have to type in source and bashrc, like this, and press Enter. And right now our alias is working, but after the restart I think it should no longer be here. As you can see, our com alias is not working, and this is basically how aliases work on Linux. If you know how to create aliases on Linux and delete aliases on Linux, of course, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.